Hello coders, welcome back to our channel, and today I will show you how to make a AI text to speech converter. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open the pie chart. So double click on it, then it will be open very soon. Here it's opened, then double click on three dot, then here you have to go to file, then click on the new project. Then here you have to put the name of this project. So put a name whatever you want. Then create. Click on it. Here it will be creating a project. Yeah, you see here it's opened. So now first of all we need a file so that we can make this project. So you have to write pip install pyttsx 3 and press enter, and it's downloading. There you have to import, then write pyttsx 3, then write friend, equal pyttsx 3 dot init. You have to initial it, because after initialization it will be okay to work. Then friend, then dot say, then in this brace you have to write whatever you want to listen. So I write here, you are very good person, then you have to write friend dot run and wait. then okay, it's done. Then if you open this,
You are a very good person.
it will say you are a very good person. Okay, do enjoy with coding. So if you want to get this like of more videos, then you have to subscribe this channel so that you can get the notification. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.